Welcome back to Dope Chinese. 我是你们老师 Gloria. Before our lesson, please kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, Dope Chinese with Gloria, and don't forget to click the bell. Every support from you is quite important for me. As an old saying goes, blood is the sword of life. 民以食为天. So our topic is all related or all around food. Today we are going to learn how to describe food and meat in Mandarin. First, let's learn about 荤菜. 荤菜 means all meat, including egg and milk. All of them we call it as 荤菜. 荤菜. 荤 it means meat. 菜 dishes. Actually, it's quite easy to describe meat in Chinese. We just need to put animal meat in front and plus meat in Mandarin, and the total one is the meat. First, I would like to introduce the most important 5 animals for Cantonese people is 鸡 chicken, 鸡. So there was another old saying in for Cantonese we call 无鸡不成宴, 冇雞不成宴. It means there must be a chicken on our feast, or it's not called feast. So the general name of hen and rooster is 鸡. And for hen, we call it as 母鸡. And rooster, 公鸡. Gong is the male, 母 is female. So we call the chicken as 鸡肉. And the part of chicken we will buy is 鸡胸肉. The chicken breast meat, 鸡胸肉. The chicken wing is 鸡翅. 翅 wing. 鸡翅 chicken wing. And the chicken thigh or the drumstick, we call it as 鸡腿. Drumstick. And its egg we will call it as 鸡蛋. Egg. The second important farm animal for us is called 鸭 duck. 鸭肉 duck meat. And then it will be 鹅肉 goose meat. And then is the pig. It's 猪 pork is 猪肉. Next one will be cow. 牛 cow. So beef will be 牛肉 beef. And milk we call it as 牛奶 milk. So next one is goat. 羊 goat. So for mutton we call it as 羊肉 mutton. And about the seafood, it will be the first one is 鱼 fish. The fish meat we will call it as 鱼肉. And then for the shrimp is 虾. Shrimp. And crab, it will be 蟹. Besides meat, we also will use 肉 to describe other things. For example, boys always like the girl 肉的. It means
plumpy.
For example, 我的脸肉肉的，好丑。My face is a little bit
plumpy.
so ugly. Besides this, we also use 肉 to describe the plant. That is succulent plant. So we will call it as 多肉植物。多 a lot. 多肉植物 succulent plant. And nowadays more and more people they become vegetarian. So this kind of people we will call them as 素食主义者 is vegetarian. If you are vegetarian and one day your friend invite you to the party, and once they host you some meat, then you could tell them that 谢谢，我不吃荤菜，我只吃素菜。谢谢 ，Thank you， 我不吃荤菜 ，I don't eat 荤菜 meat， 我只吃 I only eat 素菜 vegetarian dishes. Do you always visit the market in your country? So I was quite surprised because in Chinese market, mostly when we want to buy the fish, 鱼, buy the chicken, 鸡肉, and buy the duck or goose. So they're always alive. The shopkeeper will help us to kill them in front of our face. I know it's a little bit cruel. And when I live here, I visit some markets here. I realize that most seafood or the ingredient here, they are the meat here, they're already killed before they put inside the market. Maybe they're just trying to make the market more clean. But in China, it didn't happen. I mean, mostly what happened is that the food season. Okay, this is what we learned today. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Talk Chinese with Gloria, and don't forget to click the bell. Okay, see you next time. 再见，拜拜。